I thought it was really inspiring.
It's been absolutely fantastic.
I think it's a great idea.
It's really good, really enjoyed it.
Hello and a warm welcome to busy, bustling Chester. I'm Dr Gyles Brandreth and I've come to the Festival of Ideas. Yes, the University of Chester's Festival of Ideas, where academics, students and members of the public are coming together for a series of events where we're sharing ideas with one another. This is the University of Chester and we're having a Festival of Ideas.
Awesome. We get to help people.
The Festival of Ideas is a fantastic long weekend of events open to anyone who wants to come along. Almost 100 free talks, workshops, walking tours and family-friendly activities across 4 days. The university and city partners have worked hard to create a diverse program that everyone can get involved in. The idea behind the festival is to celebrate learning and inspire new ideas and ways of thinking in the dynamic setting of the city of Chester. The festival is getting people connected with culture, with research, while inspiring them to talk about issues that have a local, national and global impact.
I love the fact that there are so many artists.
We saw so many people coming in from a lot of different backgrounds, and it gives you a bigger flavour of what the world is.
The Festival of Ideas is an important set of events where knowledge is shared and attendees can learn something new while having a bit of fun as well.
We've been trying to help the children bring their learning to life. What we're interested in is trying to get children to bring all of their understanding outside of school, and the Festival of Ideas has been perfect for that.
We really value the opinions of people because they can ask the most interesting questions.
The response today has been amazing. They've been really keen to learn more and it's been a great event for the community.
It's a great idea because people are going to get a chance to interact with other people.
All these different art forms coming together, there's something there for everybody.
It's a great place where you can just come and learn lots of new things, so many different ideas and things that people are presenting.
I think it's been really engaging.
There's something incredibly positive about it. I thought it was absolutely fantastic.
If you've enjoyed this year's Festival of Ideas, wait for it. There's going to be more. Yes, watch this space. We will be back. That's our latest bright idea.